Looking to switch between your Call of Duty Warzone mobile accounts? Great! In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, all from the convenience of your iPhone. Let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, fire up Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Then, locate the gear icon situated at the upper right corner of your screen. Give that a tap to bring up the settings menu. Next up, tap on Account from the options presented. After that, you'll want to tap on the Logout button, which you can find snugly placed in the top right corner. Once tapped, hit Continue to confirm. And just like that, you're logged out of your current account. Now, tap on Login. Now simply input the login credentials for your alternate account. Once done, hit that trusty login button and voila, you're now logged into your other account. And that wraps it up. You have successfully switched between your Warzone mobile accounts on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And for more awesome Warzone mobile tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.